If you want to turn on Chrome Developer Mode, I'll walk you through it step by step in a very quick and simple way. This is useful if you need to manage browser extensions, load unpacked extensions, or access advanced Chrome tools for testing and development. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. Type Chrome//extensions and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you straight to the extensions page inside Chrome. On this page, you'll see all of your installed extensions. Now look at the top right corner of the page. There you should see a toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. All you need to do is click that switch to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome Developer Mode will be active, and you'll be able to access additional extension options like loading unpacked extensions and viewing more advanced controls. If you ever need to turn it off, just come back to the same page and switch it back the other way. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Chrome Developer Mode in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome tips and browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.